Number 12, this one's pretty simple but very important, and it's my mentor that shared this with me as well. Get credit when you can qualify for credit. Don't wait until you need credit. Here, I'm talking about credit in the form of a credit line, a personal credit line, a professional credit line, a business credit line, a home equity line. These are, you've accumulated some collateral, cars, homes, a business of a certain value, assets of some kind, collateral. If that sits there and you never use it, it will never cost you anything. But if you wait 5 or 10 years when you need it because you have no collateral, or you've lost something, or your business has gone in the tank, and you go to the bank and say, hey, remember me? I have no collateral, but you still have that 200 grand? They won't give it to you. It's a line of credit. You have access to a certain amount of money based on your collateral at a very low interest rate, and you put that aside, and then when you need it, you have it.